Good morning. This is Ron from Lake Gregory Weather, and it's Monday, November 25th at around 7 a.m. And this is a live view from the Lake Gregory Weather Center at the south shore of Lake Gregory. And you can see that we have some fairly cloudy skies today, but it's not foggy at the moment. But we do have increasing clouds going on as we speak. Switching over to the Highway 18 in Lake Gregory cam, we have clear skies up on the rim as well this morning. And looking off into the valley, we have a little bit of haze down in the far end of the western side of the valley. But we have basically clear skies with, again, we have overcast, but there shouldn't be any impacts on driving today. The roads are dry and the air is clear. So switching over to the current radar, this is what we have got going on. We have an atmospheric river that is continuing to bring rain from Point Conception and the Goleta area north all the way up to just the southern end of Sacramento at the moment. And this is going to continue to be the case today, and this will slowly drift south into Southern California and into the local mountains. Probably by late tonight or early on Tuesday morning. And from Tuesday and Wednesday, we can expect to have scattered showers. Maybe some scattered showers today as clouds drift over from the area, but we're not really expecting anything significant in the way of rain at this point for today. And for Tuesday and Wednesday, we could see up to possibly a half inch of rain for the mountains. The snow levels are going to remain high. It's due to this is an atmospheric river event, and it's bringing in warm subtropical moisture in with this flow. So the snow levels are going to remain above 8,000 feet through the duration of this event, which will end on Wednesday, leaving for clearing skies on Thursday and Friday, possibly moving into some high pressure over for Thanksgiving and Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, with nice weather for the mountains. So that's how that's looking at the moment. So this is the current satellite view, and again, this can be found on the LakeGregoryWeather.com website under the today's weather and satellite pics. And this is a live view of what's happening, and this again is representative of the atmospheric river. There's an area of low pressure off of the west of Washington and Oregon, and that's helping to feed this tropical moisture into the central part of California. And to our south down here, we have an area of high pressure that's also kind of acting as a buffer to keep this AR focused from in the central California area, at least for the next 24 hours. And continuing on, this also is from the LakeGregoryWeather.com website on the satellite page. And this is the enhanced infrared, which is essentially the basically the same as the one previous. It just has a little bit different viewing. It shows the temperature of the high cloud, the upper elevation of the clouds coming in. And again, there's a low pressure there, high pressure to the south, and we're kind of sandwiched in the middle in between this flow of moisture and the atmospheric river that's moving into central California, which will continue to sag south again slowly tomorrow and Wednesday, and it will bring Southern California some rain to some degree, but nothing heavy is expected, as the AR will significantly weaken as it drops south into the Southern California region. So back on the rainfall, this is the expected rainfall forecast for the next 24 to 48 hours. I'm going to start this loop at 5 a.m. this morning and go ahead and run it through the duration of Wednesday, and you can see that the rain is slowly sagging south. This is by 10 o'clock tonight, and we're located right down here, so we're still dry according to this forecast model. And then we'll move forward into Tuesday at about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're just starting to see some rain show up over the Ontario and the western side of the San Bernardino Mountains, as well as the San Gabriel Mountains that are located here. So that'll take us into 1 o'clock on tomorrow, and then we'll move forward, and you can see that the rain will increase throughout the day on Tuesday. And then we finally end up over here. This is as far out as it goes, but hold on a second. So again, returning back to this map, this is the 4 o'clock on tomorrow, Tuesday, the forecast. And then as we move forward into it, you can see that the rainfall amounts here are starting to increase throughout the day, and this is going to be heading into overnight Tuesday and into Wednesday morning. The trough moves through, the atmospheric river is completely dried up, and then as we head into Thursday, we're going to have dry weather for the Southern California and Central California regions, and warming temperatures. So that's what we have to look forward to through the end of this week. So moving over to the atmospheric river map, this indicates the strength of the atmospheric river. It's again another forecast model, and this is for 10 o'clock today, 10 o'clock this morning, and we'll go ahead and move through, and you can see that the focus is still in Central California, and then it greatly weakens as it moves south into our area, and by the 29th, 28th on Thursday, it's pretty much completely out of California altogether. And then the forecast remains dry right on through the 1st of December for our region down here in Southern California. So that's pretty much what we're looking at. So for today, to wrap it up, we'll have increasing clouds throughout the day today, chance of rain on Tuesday and Tuesday night into Wednesday, clearing out Wednesday afternoon. Thursday and Friday we should have nice weather. And at this time, the weekend's a little bit iffy. On the forecast models, they have completely different scenarios between the European and the GFS. So we're going to have to kind of give that a little time to decide what they're going to straighten out their forecast the issues. But this is that area low pressure, and this could slide south a little bit here and give us some possibility of some rain showers over the weekend. But more than likely what we're going to have is on Thursday and Friday, we should have some offshore flow across the Southern California and Central California regions. And it's not going to be a strong Santa Ana, but it'll help to warm things up in the valley. And for us, it'll keep us in a nice temperature regime for the holiday Thursday and the Friday, and possibly going into the weekend. So that's a recap on what we got going on. And this is Ron from Lake Reggae Weather.